welcome to Road Life with Ruby. This is Ruby, my name is Elle. I just wanted to hop in for a quick update today. I haven't had a whole lot of time for editing. I've only got about 4 weeks left here at the ranch before I hit the road again, so I've just been really busy trying to get everything ready to go. But I did want to give you guys a couple updates on the build. It's coming along really nicely. I've finished this side over here pretty much. I'm still undecided if I'm going to block this part in. But as of now, I have these nice cubbies that are working great. And then I'm finishing up the kitchen build. A few other things that I've done is a lot of insulation. So I've been using the Havelock wool insulation, and I basically have tucked it into any little nook and cranny I can. I added some to my cargo storage area down here. There's a lot in the walls, there's some in the ceiling. I also put up some paneling on the ceiling so it looks really nice. So yeah, she's really well insulated, so hopefully that'll help both in heat and cold to kind of keep the ambient temperature inside of the car a little bit more stable. So there's all of that, and then I'm going to take you guys over to my little workbench here and show you where we're at on the kitchen. Okay, so the last couple of days I've kind of taken this back apart again so that I can cover it all with a varnish. So it's kind of been out drying. I did this little varnish to help with waterproofing, just to kind of protect it from spills, dirt, everything else. It's going to be bumping around in the car, so I want it as protected as possible, just help make it last a little bit longer. This is what it's looking like right now. So this part is the drawer that is going to pull out. I haven't added the rails in yet, but basically it'll pull out from the front here. And then I'll have this that will flip out as a table surface. I've got a windscreen that'll pop open, and I'll have my stove here. And then underneath is this little storage drawer for all my spices and all that good stuff. This pegboard here, if you've been on my channel for a while, you may have remembered when I first installed it. So it's really handy just to have a few like quick grab items up on the pegboard. And then my water jug is going to sit up here, so it'll be a little bit easier to fill. I won't have to crouch down next to the car. If you've ever seen me do that, it's very awkward. It works, and you know, it is what it is. And then to give you an idea of how this will look, I will still be adding another cabinet on top here for probably like clothing storage. I'm going to run to the hardware store hopefully today and get the last piece of wood that I need for that. This is going to stay open as a little cubby hole, so I can just toss some stuff in there. And then this piece here is going to slide in and out so that I have a little table. It's a perfect size for my laptop. I can use it to eat. Since I removed the headliner, I now have enough room to comfortably sit inside the vehicle and not have my head brushing against the ceiling, which is really nice. I don't have to slouch so much. So I wanted a little work surface so I can sit in there if I need to, if it's raining or cold or whatever. If I just want to hang out inside of the car, I have a little table that I can eat or journal or do whatever, so that'll be really nice. And just to give you guys an idea of how it'll look once it's in here, this is kind of the space I'm working with. And yeah, plenty of headroom back here. Easy access to all this stuff. Like I said, this will be kind of a closet space, and then the kitchen door will pull out straight from there. So, and then I'll have my sleeping space in the middle. It is a good few inches wider than that way that I had it before, which will be super nice, especially because I have somebody joining me for the first little leg of my road trip, and then also somebody joining me for the last leg. I'll probably share some more details on my upcoming plans for the summer in a future video. I'm really excited about everything that's coming up, and I'm really excited to have my car ready to go so I have a nice space to be living out of. I do have a lot of video footage of the whole process of building all of these things. I haven't put it together yet. That'll definitely take me some time, but I just wanted to ask my viewers if you guys are interested in seeing that, if it would be helpful for your own projects, if you want to see kind of my process through all of this, or if it's not that big of a deal, I won't take the time to edit it all together. But I will definitely be doing a full in-depth tour video once everything is done and I get all my shit packed in here. That's going to be a fun game of Tetris too, to see how everything fits together, but I'm really excited because I have so much more storage, so much more space with this layout as compared to how it was before. If you're curious to see my old builds, I will drop the video down below here, or I guess up above, I should say. I'll link it there so you can check it out. I think that's about it for today, so thanks for watching, and yeah, I'm excited to share the rest of the build with you guys when it's all done. So wish me luck. Bye.